Hello, Anjani here, and this is a really quick makeup tutorial. So you start with your clean face. Just wash my face, brush your teeth. That's always a good beauty tip. So once your face is clean, you have no makeup on, this is what I do. A little bit of coconut oil, little bit of, I like this, Manuka essential oil and turmeric oil. And what I do is literally just one drop of the turmeric, one drop of that Manuka honey, mix that in, gives a tiny, tiny little tint of color. Not too much, it's just the turmeric oil has a little bit of color on it. Take the little scrapings off of the top of my coconut oil, rub that together. That's my moisturizer for my skin. At the end of that, put a little bit of that in my hair. Dry my hands, pat that off. Then I have been using this cocoa kind. They have three different, there's this copper one, which I really like a lot. It's my favorite. There's a rose one and a gold one, and I use all three of them depending on the day. Little of this right there, right there, bam. And my all-time favorite thing, eyelash curler. I used to hide this in my sock or in my boot when I was in boot camp. A little lip gloss, eyelash curler. It might not work because my eyelashes are wet. Since I just washed my face, yeah, it's not gonna work. Anyway, what I wash my face with is basically baking soda, a little bit of tea tree oil dipped in the baking soda, a little bit of sea salt, and coconut oil. Mixed all together, just rub that on my face and rinse it off. It's a really good face wash. Sometimes I use hemp oil instead of coconut oil in that baking soda and sea salt mix. Yeah, the eyelash curler didn't work because my eyelashes are wet. But anyway, really quick makeup for natural skincare, natural beauty. I'm 40. My skin is really, I'm happy with my skin. I'm really happy with my skin. So I thought I'd make this quick video for you. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoy, and I look forward to connecting with you soon.